India, the world's largest democracy. A nation built on diversity, resilience, and deep-rooted inequality. For decades, one policy has tried to fix that inequality: reservation. But today, a critical question is rising. Is reservation solving the problem or silently making it worse? Every year, millions of students compete for limited seats. The pressure is intense, the stakes life-changing. But for many, the system isn't just about merit anymore. It's about category. Reservation was introduced to uplift historically oppressed communities, a necessary step in a deeply unequal society. But over time, the system has expanded. Today, more than 50% of seats in many institutions are reserved. And this raises a difficult question. At what point does support become imbalance? In recent years, India has witnessed multiple protests. Students demanding fair opportunities, communities demanding inclusion in reservation lists. From competitive exams to government jobs, the divide is becoming more visible. Imagine two students. One grows up in poverty, struggles for basic education, but belongs to a general category. The other comes from a financially stable background, but benefits from reservation due to caste. Who deserves the support more? This is where the debate shifts. Not about whether reservation should exist, but how it should exist. Critics argue that reservation based purely on caste no longer reflects the reality of modern India. Because inequality today is not just social, it is economic. Poverty does not check caste before affecting lives. Millions of economically weaker individuals, regardless of caste, are still left behind. And yet, they may not qualify for the support they need. What if reservation was based on economic condition instead of caste? A system where help reaches those who truly need it, not based on identity, but based on struggle. Some steps have already been taken, like the introduction of EWS quotas. But is it enough? Or is India standing at a crossroads, where it must redefine fairness for a new generation? Reservation was meant to unite and uplift, but if not re-evaluated, it risks creating new divisions. Because true equality is not about categories, it's about opportunity. The question is not whether change is needed. The question is, are we ready for it?